Let's go take a look. Look at this. This car has been buried for, it was parked in October, and we are beginning of February. Do a quick walk. And I've got the key. Yeah, the door's unlocked. Oh yeah, she's buried. Let's get in here and see if this thing will start. Oh, it's frozen in here. It's cold. It's about minus 20 Celsius right now. Cycle the key here. Radio works. Let's see. 50,000 kilometers. 49,133. Look at that. (2006), pretty minty. 50K factory. Ooh, can smell the exhaust. Oh, let's get out of here. Fired right up, look at that. Now I do have fuel stabilizer in here. There we go. I'm going to let this thing run for a while. And unfortunately, I'm not sure if you can make it out, but you can see some hail dints. Oh yeah. It's out of quality. Gotta love it. Leave a comment.